Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in Onyx Black. This SUV is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the 2023 Sierra, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable and folding mirrors, trailer and driving modes that are button activated, automatic headlights and fog lights, heads-up display controls, heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, the shifters now in the center console, integrated trailer braking, Bose audio all around the vehicle, and equipped in this truck has the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with your 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, color-matched door handles on the vehicle. AT4 badge on the bottom of the door. Paint-matched mirror with the LED strip. 6.2-liter V8 plaque on the fender. Around the front of the truck, black chrome in the grille. AT4 badge in the grille as well. Red recovery hooks at the bottom. LED daytime running lights. Make our way back down the side of the truck. This truck is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with blacked out accents all around. And make our way to the rear of the truck. Step built into the bottom bumper. Chrome exhaust tips. Rear towing package. Chrome Sierra and AT4 badge. And equipped on this truck is the GM MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, starting off with your in-seat storage. These seats are also car seat ready. They come in a 60-40 split. Rear sliding window. Bose audio continues in the back of the vehicle as well. And in the center console, we have the controls to your heated leather seats as well as dual USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.